You gotta be kidding me. I just did this whole thing and didn't press record. Okay, so this one we're finding the domain given the range. So let's make sure we write what we know. This time we have the range. Range is y, right? But y is pretty much the same thing as f of x. So you can see we're substituting this time in place of f of x. For example, one of my ranges is -1. So I'm going to put -1 equals, let me write it a little higher. -1 equals 15 minus 4x. Another one of my ranges is 15, so I'm going to substitute in for f of x. 15 equals 15 minus 4x. And my last one is 27, so 27 equals 15 minus 4x. You see I substituted in for the f of x spot. And now I'm just going to solve for x in each of these. So I'm going to add 4x to both sides. Boom, 4x plus 4x. Ay, and that gives me 4x minus 1 equals 15. I'm going to add a 1 to both sides. Boom. That gives me 4x equals 16. Then divide by 40, x by itself. And boom, x equals 4. So that's one of my domains. Now let's do the next one. Add 4x to both sides. Boom, boom. 4x plus 15 equals 15. Subtract 15 from both sides. Boom, boom. 4x equals 0. Uh-oh. Divide by 4 on both sides to get x by itself. And x equals 0. So that's another one of my domains. And lastly, over here, add 4x to both sides. 4x plus 27 equals 15. Subtract 27 from both sides. 4x equals -12. And then lastly, divide by 4 on both sides to get x by itself. And you're going to see that x equals -12 divided by 4 is -3. So there are my three domain values right there. 4, 0, and -3. So now to write my answer, I'm going to give it to me exactly like they wrote their answer. They put range, colon, and squiggly brackets. I'm going to put domain, colon, and squiggly brackets. And now I'm just going to write the three answers that I got. -3, 0, and 4. And then close squiggly brackets. And that is a perfect answer right there.